Hello queens and kings, you all are welcome back to my channel. It's a legit tutorial girl, aka a job. Guys, I'm here with another video. Today is a styling video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can put on a bodysuit, boots, gather belt, bodysuit, and shorts like jeans, high waist shorts. Like today is just as I said, is a styling video. First of all, I'm going to be showing you guys what we're going to be wearing right in this video. First of all, I'm going to be wearing these boots I recently bought. Like guys, this is how it says. It's a wine color. Yeah, this is either on my knee or underneath my knee. I don't really know because I've not worn it. This is new. Yeah, it's my preferred size, which is 38. Yeah, this is the color. And the next one I'm gonna be wearing now is, yeah, this high waist jean. They are all new, guys. They are all new. Like, yeah, this is how the jeans is, and this is how it is at the back. Ooh la la! And this is how it is at the side. Yeah. And what the next one is this gather belt. Yeah, because I'm gonna be holding my stockings in place. Like, I don't want the stockings to be going down, you understand? So I need the stockings to be in place, so I need this gather belt for the stockings. And the next one is this bodysuit. And then the bodysuit, this bodysuit is a little bit transparent. It is made up of net. You can see my hand through the through this bodysuit. Yeah, I love it because of the flower. Like, this one is not new. This is something I bought some time ago. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be wearing in this video, like this bodysuit. Like guys, look at the color, like ooh la la. And the last one is this stockings. Yeah, this net stockings. You guys already know, I already made a review about those very stockings. Like, I'm gonna put the video on the card so that you guys can see it in case you don't know. I'm not going to be wearing the pants. All I need is just the stockings. I don't need the bra as well, just the stockings for this video. So right now, let's just get started. Like, yeah, let's get started, guys. watching. We've come to the end of this video. Tell me what you think about the simple, like this simple styling, like with the high waist, with the stockings. I decide not to wear the garter belt because I think it's not necessary. Like, yeah. So the boot, like the bodysuit and the hair, I decided to like free the hair this way, to like fly the hair, because I think this way is more prettier and more beautiful than the way it was like this way. Just tell me what you think, if this way is better or this way is better. Yeah, I love this look. Like this look, you can go to anywhere with this look. You can also go to a nightclub with this look. Like here, you can go to a birthday party with this look. Yeah, you can still go casual outing, like, yeah, with this very styling. Yeah, I so much love how it comes out. Like, oh my god, I wish I have somewhere to go. Like, I would have gone out this way, like just the way I am. Like, if I would be going out, I make sure I put on the garter belt because I just want the stockings to be in place. But since I'm not going out, yeah. So this is how it is. You guys see what I'm doing there? Yeah guys, this is it. This look I'm going for. It's so simple, it's so elegant, it's so beautiful, so mwah. Like, I so much love it. Like, I love it. Like, I can go to anywhere. I don't know why this other leg is always going up. Like, yeah, I was thinking this is gonna be very short, but no, it's a little bit long, although it is okay. I love it. I love the styling, I love the look, I love the vibe that it gives. Like, yeah guys, so tell me what you think about this very look on the comment section. I also love this, like this key and this bag. This is just a simple chain. Like, it's not something special to you guys, but to me this is very special. Like, yeah, it's, the look is so simple but still elegant, right guys? Yeah. Hey, go to party, 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 go to party. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Be sure to subscribe. Bye bye.